took a ride in the dead of night and told myself that everything's okay. Try to understand how you standing over me, and girl, it's driving me crazy.
That we all lost niggas in. Elevated innovation over ignorance, I represent it. Suburban tenant, 5 or less percentage. Close current, but the Mac 11 muzzle vintage. Go flourish, double back and come and get your niggas. Pass the power to your people, it ain't nothing.
You're self-absorbed, raving about your cryptic ways. Nothing to change.
Feel like a difference, I can share the on your face. Criminals fucked up, criminals dead now. Zero effort in the music like it's all they called for. Nothing worse than passion when you never really cared back.
I performed at Fun Fair. Fun fact, I'm never going back to school. Been there, done that. They see my little 10-day tape and my dumb raps. Don't call it impossible if you really want that. They send my ass to summer school. Don't call it a comeback. I just came to beat a bully's ass and get my lunch back. Channel E tequila, you know.
I don't understand where all these angels run. At night I can see those ghosts are hiding in my room. And I wonder if we could see some more in the
stick, cause I'll be up in the mix of action. If I'm not at home, puffin' live, relaxing. New York got a nigga depressed, so I wear a slug proof underneath my guest. God bless my soul, before I put my foot down and begin to stroll into the drama I built. And all unfinished beef you will soon.